Hi, Joshua Collin here. Thought I'd do a cold start on my green Passat. This car has been sitting for about 4 or 5 weeks. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to put the jumper to it. Hi, I'm back. Yeah, there we go. Last time yeah. Oh, there's an old cold start of that green one, so I'll be right back. I am back. Sorry for shutting it off. I had to shut my other car off. This is gonna be sort of a weird vlog. Yeah, it's 41 degrees. This car's been sitting for about give or take 4 weeks. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird with the steering wheel. Probably remedy that. Not much, but you can kind of get it. I'm still waiting for this car to be sold. What do you get for? Yeah. I'm not going to be making as many videos due to we're getting into winter. I don't really have a bulk of stuff to tear apart. I'm going to try and do about every 3 weeks, maybe every once a month. Yeah, I might do a couple steam engine runs. That's about it. I'm idling about 1,300 right now, just to bring the RPMs up. Yeah, this thing popped right off after it had enough juice in the battery. That's what I liked about this car, is popped right off. And I'm almost 1,400, but yeah, last time I started this, it barely started. That's partially because the locking system, there really isn't much left in here. I might just leave it unlocked. Yeah, there really isn't much in here to take except for some oil, air filter for the car. So last time I also ran this, I made sure it got up to about 95, maybe 100 degrees Fahrenheit, just so I know there was some heat in the engine itself. Yep, and my new car, the Jetta, is doing wonderful. It's so weird sitting in this Passat, and the seats are worn out on this thing, which, again, no big deal. The thing purrs like a kitten, and I know the rotors are starting to get pretty rusty, but what do you expect for the car been sitting for 3 months? It got moved about 2 months ago, something, give or take, whatever. Besides that, I don't really have much else. It's getting winter, can't really do much with my projects and stuff like that. Yeah, so and it goes right back down about 850. Yeah, this is sort of a vlog and whatever comes to my mind. I know it's gonna be short. Like, work is work, and can't really discuss much about that due to I'm under what is it called, I think a non-disclosure agreement where I can't talk about what I do, but I know I've talked about it in the past. Yeah, so I've put on, I think, almost 2,000 miles since I bought the Jetta, which is a lot. Kind of, I wasn't expecting having to drive 140 miles one Sunday, like a couple weeks ago, to help put the dock in, and I came out to Cloquet to help my grandma. So let's see. So I'm gonna try and do this about once every 2 weeks. Heck, I might just make a string of cold start videos. Right now it's 41 degrees with this car just sitting here. Again, those are really short, and I can just talk about what's been going on. And right now I'm dealing with a lot of emotional baggage, if you know what I mean. So I'm trying to work through that. I know my parents say I need to go see a counselor, but I don't think I do. But then again, I probably should, but I don't really know. That's the thing. So yeah, the business right next to me is Carlton Meat and Grocery. I have a friend that has a property next to it, and he's letting me keep my a broken car here until it sells, and actually probably till the new owner from that I know from Makerspace, he's gonna do a manual transmission swap on it. So and we're getting temperature, so of course this is really the only way I can charge the battery right now. Of course, I could bring my generator out and just sit here and wait for it to charge, or I can just start it and let the oil circulate and chat. Like, it's showing 9 minutes on here. Of course, I've been recording for about 7.5. So yeah, it's all the way already halfway on the temperature. So, and I figured instead of just let it idle, just kick the RPMs up just so everything works. So that peaked about 3,000. So then again, I could probably keep the engine. I don't know what the heck I would do with it, but it'd be interesting to have a 4-cylinder BHW diesel engine out of a clapped out car. Again, with 206,304 miles. It's a little bit worn out, and I know the bell housing is unique. Let's just say that too. It's not a standard SEA number 5 or number 6 where whatever number or size it would be. It is a special bell housing, so sorry, I had to cut off real quick. I thought someone was gonna ask me what the heck I'm doing, but so yeah, it's almost already up at temperature, so, and it's about 4:30, so I think I'm gonna yeah, I think I'll just let it hit temperature and just, last time I think I let it run for about half hour, so, but I've only been running it for, according to the time on my dash, it's been running for about 12 minutes, so yeah, it's kind of weird doing this type of vlog. It's just, I'm in a car, I'm not moving though, but I'm on a camera. So I'm gonna probably have to start it every 2 weeks just to keep the battery up, because it's been about 4. Because I could also pull the battery out, but then again, it's gonna be really fun once it hits 0. Not plugged in, so that's probably gonna be fun. I might have to bring the generator out for that. Then I might not. I might just do a very dirty old cold start. It almost seems like it has a little bit more of a shake when it's idling, but of course the transmission failed on it. There's nothing I can really do about that. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.